everyone, Jackie Ding here, sound of race cars. We're out here at Gingerman Raceway with the TA90 V2. She's ready. She's got a new splitter. Spaceport really delivered. This one is actually reinforced as well. It's ready for landscaping is what he told me, but we're not gonna use that. Sun, it just came out. We're about to go out for the first session of Saturday, really. There was a couple sessions yesterday, but it was all raining pretty bad, so we basically decided not to worry too much about it. Oh no! Hi Larry!
Hi! I come bearing gifts.
Do we have to vlog each other?
Yeah.
I need that, please, thank you. I need a blessing, both of them?
Yeah.
I'll put them both sides, because I need them for the next session.
Oh!
Thank you very much.
Okay, alright.
Thank you. We're about to go on, it's still a little damp. Keep you guys posted. Maybe you come back, I'll do a quick walk around of the car, but there's a couple new things. Really excited. Good times.
Really excited.
Thanks, Larry.
Hi.
Hi.
Brother from another mother.
Yeah, right? She's a little bit crunched up still, but mechanically speaking, she's functioning wonderfully. And so Alex is going out with the V1.5 for its maiden voyage. Sun's come out, beautiful. There's Wilbert, our second PhD car. He's going pretty good. Well, that wraps up our Saturday first session. Everything's going smoothly. V2 is doing really well. Splitter's pretty strong. Scraping a little bit, obviously, but that's on the skip block, so that's okay. As you guys may see, we don't actually have a mirror. There's a reason for that, because it's in my hand. We got some mirrors, carbon fiber mirrors from Spaceport. They're super nice, billet mount and everything. Problem being, we got the day before the event and had to design a 3D printed mount. And this side broke on the highway. That meant I lost like a $500 mirror on the highway, and I couldn't retrieve it because it was a 4-lane highway and off it goes. So I always tried to take the other side off and did the same thing. Lesson here, maybe not use 3D printing for things that will handle a lot of load. Unfortunately, this is it's not heavy, but it's still a decent chunk of vibration and everything, so yeah, shame. But red car otherwise, minus the mirror, which we'll get it figured out eventually. Works really well. I'm happy with it. So far, so good. Next session, we're gonna explore in some more VP MS109 in preparation for most likely one of our only dry sessions. Hopefully, we'll be able to lay down a good one, good fast lap. I tried to stay on top in the first session as much as I could, and then the wet, and then when it dried up later. We're sitting first in street map by like 0.3. not that much of a margin. Dewey is coming. Moss is in an Audi this weekend, which is ridiculously quick on a straight line. I think Sean Kresbach is here as well, but he's got some problems so far. So we'll see how it goes. We'll keep it up. Try to stay on top as much as we could. How was it?
It's pretty good.
So that was the second session of Saturday done. It's been a tricky day. Right as we went out, grip was kind of there. It wasn't really raining. I did a 32.8, decent lap. It was okay. Turn 1, lacked a little bit of front turn grip. It's a little tricky bit for me. Turn 1, turn 2. It's a difficult complex to get right. But if you can, I might have to brake just a little bit earlier, slow the front down and transfer the weight in a little nicer. Other than that, car was really nice the rest of the lap. We did pretty quick. 32.8 is what beat the old record by about like 2/10, and then Sean went out and did a 32.2, about half a second quicker than us again. So P2 right now in street mod, not bad. Got more. We gotta find more. So this has never happened before, but doesn't mean it can't happen. The Supra is not responsive. We need some quick EMT.
You went to the big boy battery.
Okay, but we're in. Hold vehicle keys to the steering column.
Just the key for the like the key. No, just steering column. Dude, never owned a BMW?
No, like that?
Yeah, rub it on there.
Oh. That could have been worse. Thankfully, we still own multiple Supra keys. Don't ask me how. We technically own 3 Supras.
So
see, Alex turn changing.
Super easy. So you're gonna find the back end.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh.
So.
Yep. Well, let's test. Yes.
We are okay.
All right.
There you go. Back in the game.
Back in the game. Thank you, Alex. You joined me on a very chilly, but most importantly, dry day 2 at Gridlife. This is Saturday. This is actually the last day of competition. Because after this, it's not Saturday, have a lot of live streaming, and Gridlife decided to end the competition on Saturday. So Sunday will be a full HPD runaround day. What that means, we really gotta turn up. We have 3 chances, 3 sessions to really go for it. For session 1, I think we're gonna play a little bit conservative. I'm gonna maybe on the same map, the same kill map, but more importantly, we're gonna try and make some suspension changes to try and help the car a little bit. I feel like we could turn in a little better. I need the car to turn in a little bit better. This way I can carry a little more speed through the corners. And we're gonna turn it up for session 2 and 3, I think. So keep it on kill for now and then go for overkill. It's been a very tight season. Big thanks to everybody who's been supporting us. And also, thank you everybody on Patreon who's been supporting us actually. I finally got the Patreon support stickers ready. And yeah, it's been good. It's been a very, very difficult season. It's been tough. It's been a lot of development, lots of surprises all throughout the year, but I'm very happy that we're still fighting at the end. We're still here. 5-4, another win. So let's go for it. PhD out of context.
Yeah, to be honest,
What did it do?
31.4. You want to go for another one? Or?
I say let's save it for the next one.
Okay.
I tried for another one and I fucked up 5 and 6.
Oh, okay.
Fuck, man. Thank you, Dave.
Yeah.
Dave has kindly provided us instant
you're not supposed
ramen.
to eat
I
that.
know. I'm trying to get rid of it. Thank you very much, Dave.
This is a power food for drivers.
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah, okay.
You know, there's a scientific proof that spicy food helps you.
Drive faster?
No, it helps you think better. So it makes
it
you
really?
smarter. It does.
Oh, wow. Okay.
You can look it up. You can Google it.
Well, this is my my attempt to go faster, right here. Thank you, Dave from TF. Thank you. This is our suspension guru also. He helps make all the
Here's your
suspensions.
desserts.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
You got my favorite flavor.
Take that
Oh,
tire
Jesus.
off.
Dave, you're like a mini Santa right now. Like Asian Santa, actually.
I know how it is on track.
Yes. It's cold, miserable.
Whenever I go to a racetrack, everyone calls me Big Daddy because I always take care of everybody.
Big Daddy Dave.
Yeah.
All right, friends. This is the second to last session. I'm not really banking on the last one being dry. I think the rain might be coming in a little bit. Big time session now. Bit of pressure. I'd like to find 610th. I'd like to beat Sean on this one. I think he turned it up a lot last session. I don't know how much he has left. I have a little bit left. We're gonna turn it up to overkill. Give it everything we got. It's tight up there. We made some suspension changes. Dave from Reinhardt TF Works came helped us set instant noodle, obviously. Lower the rear wing 1 click also. Try to help the car turn in. We're gonna give it everything we got. Anybody else go quicker?
No, Sean didn't go quick either. It seems like the track is shitty. Everybody's like locking up at turn one.
I'm struggling.
Yeah.
I couldn't get the car to turn or slow down.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What a shame. What a shame. The rain again has come and it has killed our weekend again. Unfortunate. I think we really, by the end, we actually made some sway bar changes and we're about to go out ready for the last one, trying to get it one more shot because I think that would have been it, but it wasn't. So ended up, Tomo drove the car in advance on a semi-damp track with me as a passenger. He did like a 35 with traffic. Thing is fucking quick. Unfortunately, second place in Street Mod with a Street Mod rear-wheel drive record will have to be the best we could do. I think the car could have done a 31, but just wasn't to be. Next time, my friends. We're gonna do one more rain session with it, just to play with it. So. I'm surprised you actually watched that video.
Watch the video.
I actually didn't get the joke until I realized, wait, you watched my video. Oh shit. Someone actually watches it.
And in front of Mr. Dewey, the prettiest car I think we had in Street Mod in a long time showed up a year ago, and it was brand new. Who gets brand new Time Attack cars with the 32008? Mr. Jackie Ding. Yay! Very nicely developed car. Fun to see it run all year. It's not. Very nice. Street Mod podium for the event.
That rounds off an interesting weekend at Gridlife Midwest. We did our best, I think. Supra did 32.0, which honestly we beat our best time since June by 1.5 seconds, which to me is a big deal. Means that we made a lot of improvements over the season since that was from July to now early October. So the car's gotten really quick. We're gonna give it our best shot next time. Sean is always tough to beat, we know that, but a 6/10 gap hurts a little bit. Now I know at the end of the day that we made some suspension changes. Unfortunately, the weather just didn't pan out for us. Otherwise, I think we could have found almost all the time, if not more. That'll be it from us. Thank you all very much for joining. See you all next time. Goodbye.
I will take you